Shout out po sa inyong lahat. Welcome to Live Good, and especially shout out dun sa mga guests. Dun sa mga guests natin ngayon, what you are about to experience or what you are about to listen to is something na kakaiba talaga. At ito, ang dami ng buhay na nabago nito, and we are praying that you would have an open mind, an open heart, para pati yung buhay niyo po would be changed for the better. By the way, shout out sa lahat na nanonood sa Facebook. This is being broadcasted live sa Facebook. Shout out po, hello po sa inyong lahat. Stay tuned, tapusin niyo po yung presentation kasi talagang kakaiba itong maririnig niyo ngayon. Alright, so again, let me share my screen. Ang daldal, no? Alright. Can everybody see my screen? Alright, alright. Wait. Okay, so dito sa Live Good, kikita ka o yayaman ka. Dalawa lang po ang patutunguhan ng mga affiliate members dito sa Live Good. It's either kikita sila o yayaman sila. Mamaya ipapaliwanag ko unti-unti yan. And here in Live Good, we have over 800,000 paid members na po in less than 11 months. Kasi magi-11 months pa lang tayo eh. Pero umaabot na tayo ng 800,000 paid members. Now, the question is why? Bakit ganun kagusto nila ang Live Good? Alright? So, let me just introduce myself first kasi merong mga bago dito. May mga guest tayo. Most likely, hindi nyo pa ako kilala. I'm Mon Reyes. I'm one of the Live Good business coach. I'm a Live Good business coach. Okay? I'm a registered nurse by profession and a real estate broker. Opo, dalawa po ang PRC ID ko. Pero hindi ko na po ginagawa yan. I used to be an employee. And as an employee, alam nyo naman, 12 hours kang wala sa bahay kasi 2 hours traveling, going to the office, work for 8 hours, and then another 2 hours traveling home. So as an employee, yes, meron kang inaasahang kinsenas katapusan na sweldo. Pero most of the time, hindi yun sapat, di ba? I'm sure that yung mga employees dito makaka-relate dyan. However, wala kang time sa family mo. Kasi 24/7, yung 24/7 mo actually dun sa employer mo na binibigay, dun sa company pinagtatrabahuhan mo. Right? So, nakita ko, walang mangyayari sa akin as an employee, nag-OFW ako. As OFW naman, nakakapangulila sa pamilya. Kasi 11 months akong wala sa Pilipinas, 1 month lang ako dito. Yung 15 days pa doon, nag-aayos ng dokumento. Shout out sa lahat ng OFW. I know where you're coming from. I honor you. Kasi yung sakripisyong ginagawa nyo para sa pamilya nyo, grabe. Ako hindi ko kinaya. 4 na taon lang po ako nag-OFW, nag-retire na ako. Okay? Kasi nakita ko yung anak ko lumalaki, hindi ako kasama. Okay? So after that, nag-entrepreneur po ako. I entered into business and yes, lucrative naman ang kitaan sa negosyo. However, ang kalaban mo naman dito yung health mo. Okay? Kasi it's true, as a business person, hawak mo yung oras mo. Meaning, pwede kang magpahinga anytime. But that also means, pwede kang magtrabaho anytime. In fact, as a business person, talagang I was delivering products at 1 in the morning, 2 in the morning doon sa client ko kasi kailangan na nila. Alright? So, doing all of this, napansin ko, yes, nakakabuhay siya ng tao. In fact, nakabuhay siya ng pamilya. Pero yung maaabot yung mga pangarap ko, hindi kaya. So that's the reason why I look for another opportunity and I found Live Good. Thanks to Coach Ferds. Shout out kay Coach Ferds. Siya yung nag-introduce sa akin ng Live Good. So now I decided to become full-time affiliate coach and mentor of Live Good. Kasi nakita ko yun lang yung kailangan kong gawin eh. Talagang magturo ng ibang tao para lalong umasenso sila dito sa Live Good. Alright? Now, that's my story. That's my story. And we all have different stories. We all have different struggles. But this business presentation is not about me. This business presentation is about you. Kasi ito ka pwedeng ito ka. You can be a single parent. 'Di ba? Yung sahod mo hindi na kumakasya. Ang nagiging worries mo naman ngayon, paano mo pag-aaralin yung anak mo? Okay? Or pwedeng OFW ka. Nangungulila ka sa family mo, or may asawa ka na OFW. Parating wala, hindi mo kasama dito sa Pilipinas. Either way, may struggles ka kasi nangungulila ka sa family mo. Diba? Or pwede ka naman pa-start pa lang ng career mo and then you've realized that you are overworked and underpaid. Yes, may salary ka every 15th and 30th. However, hindi sapat. Okay? Gusto mo, may significance yung buhay mo, di ba? As a young person, significance, hindi nga makabuhay ng pamilya, significance pa hanapin mo. Or maybe you are at your golden prime age, whereby retired ka na or nearly retiring, and you are worried about your future. Kasi alam mo, wala ka ng kita, wala ka ng source of income. Paano na yung mga gastusin mo? Kasi po tuloy-tuloy naman yung gastos after retirement eh. Ang tumitigil lang yung kita. Kanino ka aasa ngayon? Sa government? Sa mga kamag-anak mo? Sa pamilya mo? Or much worse, baka umasa ka pa sa charity? Huwag naman sana. Well, if this is if you can relate to any of these struggles, I'm telling you that Live Good is for you. Kasi dito, si Live Good, siya na yung solution sa lahat ng struggles natin. Whether it be finances, whether it be time for your family, solusyon na po yan. Ngayon mamili kayo, anong gusto nyong picture nyo? Yung katulad nung kanina, mga miserable, o ganito, mga nakangiti. Diba? Single mom playing with a kid kasi alam niya wala siyang problema with her finances. Yung father na nag-OFW, finally kasama na yung family niya and they're all very happy. Diba? And it's for good. Kasi yung kinikita niya sa Live Good, mas malaki pa doon sa kinikita niya nung OFW siya. Or you can be a young person na talagang enjoying your life while not worrying about finances. And you can be retired and living your life. Living the life you deserve. Kasi pumapasok yung income sa'yo. Now, how can this be possible? All of this is really possible. All you need to have is passive income for life. And that's what Live Good is offering you. Passive income for life. Just to give you an idea, ano ba yung passive income? It's an income derived with minimal or no participation in the business at all. Yes, pasok ng pasok yung pera kahit konting-konti lang yung participation mo sa negosyo. Okay? Now, baka sabihin mo, lahat naman pinapangako yan eh. Yayaman ka, matutupad mga pangarap mo, may passive income ka for life. What makes Live Good different? Bakit yan yung niyayabang mo, Coach Mon? So what makes Live Good different? Sige, eto. Number one, dito walang overpriced products. In fact, dito bawal yung word na mahal or expensive. Okay, lahat ng products natin, because of a different business model we adopted, we are able to offer our health products at almost manufacturing price. Konti lang po yung dinagdag. Kaya napakamura talaga ng mga health products natin dito. Number two, no huge cash out to join. Sa iba kasi talagang sasabihin sa'yo, actually nasa huli ng presentation nila to kasi sinasabi nila, i-excite ka nila muna bago nila sabing, to join kailangan mo ng 60,000, kailangan mo bumili ng products worth 100,000. Dito po, sasabihin ko na sa inyo, to join Live Good, you only need $49.95. Magkano yan in peso? Wala pa pong 3,000 yan. 2,950 or even less. Okay, ang maganda niyan, yung $40, one time lang po yan. Okay? Dito rin, no huge monthly auto ship requirement. Hindi mo kailangan bumili ng products dito monthly basis. Talagang hindi ka i-require bumili ng products. In fact, dito, yung monthly lang kailangan mo, since one time yung $40, di ba? Ang monthly mo, $9.95 lang. Magkano yan? 580 pesos. Makatipid ka ng 20 pesos a day at the end of the month. May sukli ka pang 20. Diba? And that's what you pay for the subscription. Mamaya ipapaliwanag ko ba't tayo magbabayad ng subscription. And here, no rank ups based on volume. Kasi dun sa iba, kailangan mo bumili ng maraming produkto nila para mag-rank up ka. Dito po, hindi natin kailangan yan. In fact, dito sa daling mag-rank up, 36% rank up on their first week. Meaning, unang linggo pa lang po, nabawi na nila yung nilabas nilang $49.95. Ganun po kaganda dito. Ganun po kabilis ang pag-asenso dito sa LiveGood. The owners, our CEO made it, yung talagang the corporate team, he really made the business easy for us to do. Okay? No selling, no quota. Kasi nga hindi kayo force bumili ng products dito eh. Diba? You'll not be forced to buy products, but you can buy products when you want to and whatever you want to. Diba? Walang pilitan to. Pero I'm telling you, sa ganda ng products nila, I highly recommend that you buy the products as well. Use the products kasi talagang we need to be healthy. Ano na yan? Given na yan. Talagang kailangan natin maging healthy. Ang maganda nito, kaya na nating magpaka-healthy ngayon. Ito pa, no back to zero. Sa ibang company kasi kinakatakutan yung palit ng buwan. Kasi alam nila na lahat ng pinagtrabaho nila nung month na yon mawawala. And come the first week of the month, the following month, back to zero sila. Meaning, they're going to struggle again. Ang hirap niyan, it would continuously be active income. Kasi monthly, kailangan mo magtrabaho. Either kailangan mo magbenta, kailangan mo mag-recruit. Dito po, walang back to zero. In fact, you would be paid for all your effort. Kung ano po yung effort na ibibigay nyo rito, mako-compensate po kayo. Kasi wala na. Wala na eh. Kung yung pinagtrabahuhan mo would be remaining with you. Alright? Now, LiveGood is revolutionizing the industry. Yan po, ibang-iba talaga si LiveGood. Pinakita ko na sa inyo, ibang-iba si LiveGood. But better yet, question is, are you ready for a revolution? So, what I'm going to do now is I want to show you a video by our CEO himself explaining what LiveGood is, how is it different, and why you should do LiveGood. Okay? So, makinig po tayo sa ating CEO.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of LiveGood. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive, people are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago. While companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created LiveGood. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant-packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the Powerline. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the Powerline above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the Powerline. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
Yes, see you at the top. You see, that's the reason why we're different. Kasi we adopted a different business model. Okay? Kaya lahat ng tao dito talagang excited. And we're coming from different places kasi we're global. Ganun po kaganda yung Live Good. And napakadali pong dalhin ng Live Good. Imagine, ilang tao ang merong 60,000 pesos, 100,000 pesos. Iilan lang po yan. Pero tanungin ka kayo, ilang taong may 3,000 na may malaking pangarap at gustong matupad yung mga pangarap nila? Naku, marami po yan. Kaya dito po, we have over 800,000 paid members. These members, they have dreams. Gusto nilang maganda, maging maayos yung kanilang mga buhay. And that's the reason why Live Good keeps on growing. Yan, tayo nga po, nasa 467 na yung nakikinig sa atin ngayon. And I'm sure padami pa ng padami yan. Ruth is saying, God bless us all continuously. Yes, God will bless Live Good. And since you are with Live Good, God will bless you as well. Bakit? Kasi you will become blessings for others. Yung mga taong dadalhin nyo rito sa Live Good, i-bless po yan. Mabibless po ng gusto yan. Kaya watching from Saudi Arabia, si Darwin. Hello daw to his clients, Doris Monleon, Andaya. Hi, she's from Dubai. Andy Bicol is saying hi to Christine Inson and Rosie Timbal. All right, so tuloy na lang natin mamaya yan. So, yan, talagang kakaiba si Live Good. Live Good is different. Our CEO, our corporate team has really made it easy for us to do
Hi,
the
this is-
business. Okay? So ayan, ang ating business model po is exclusive buyers club. Tandaan niyo po yan. Hindi po tayo product-centered, but we're more on subscription. We're more on membership club. Okay? Now, as a member, magkakaroon po kayo ng sarili niyong you would have access to a shop whereby nandun po yung mga health products that we are carrying. Yan po, yung pictures na nakikita niyo yan. These are the products in our shop na pwede nyong makuha at almost factory price. Yung napakababang presyo, papakita ko mamaya. Alright? Now, baka hindi kayo pamilyar sa membership club. Ito po, papakita ko lang yung some example of membership club. Meron tayong dyan ito yung mga popular si Amazon Prime. Amazon Prime charges their members $14.99 per month or $139 per year. Ano ginagawa ni Amazon? Binibigyan lang po yung members nila ng access dun sa online shop nila whereby they could shop at a wholesale price. Mababang presyo din po. Sam's Club is pretty much the same. Ang charge naman niya $50 or $110 per year. Depende dun sa pinili mong package. Si Netflix po. Netflix, you know Netflix very well. Ang offer naman niya, unlimited watching of movies and shows. Okay? Hindi po libre yan. Nagbabayad tayo dyan. $9.99, $15.49, or $19.99 per month. Okay? Depende dun sa napili mo. Kung ilang users yung pwede makagamit dun sa account mo. Okay? Subukan yung wag magbayad dyan. Tanggal din po yung access nyo. Pretty much the same with everything. Disney, parang si Netflix yan. Yun nga lang, more on Disney shows. $10.99 yan or $109.99. Hindi po nalalayo. Actually, mababa pa po ang ating subscription as compared to any of this. Now, if I would be comparing Live Good with any of this membership club, siguro pinakamalapit na si Costco Wholesale. Although si Costco Wholesale, more of a physical store. Kasi si Costco, magme-member ka sa kanila, you pay $120 a year, ang ibibigay lang sa'yo is an identification or an ID para makapasok ka dun sa shop, sa store nila. Now, pagpasok mo dun sa loob ng store, dun ka makakapamili ng mga products nila ng mura. So parang pareho ni Live Good. Si Live Good, when you become a member, you would have the access to your shop. Whereby dun sa shop, andun yung mga health products that we have, that we are carrying, where you can buy at a very low price. Yung tinatawag naming members price. Sa sobrang baba niya, konting-konti lang po dinagdag from manufacturing price. Unlike other companies, eto sabihin ko na sa ibang companies, yung manufacturing price, tina-times 10 nila, times 12 para bago nila ibenta. Bakit? Kasi lahat ng gastusin dun nila kinukuha. Dito po hindi. Kakaiba po yung ating business model. Now, we pay our membership fee through subscription. Okay, just to show you ano-ano ba yung mga subscription company na yan. Pinakamalapit na siguro si Zoom. Si Zoom po, itong Zoom na gamit natin, we are conducting meetings, we are reaching so many people around the world at the comfort of our own home. So okay lang sa ating magbayad. In fact, to have 100 participants, if I'm not mistaken, nasa $14 a month yan. Tayo may 1,000 participants tayo dito kaya mas malaki. Alright? Pero yun lang po yung binabayad ng mga nagme-member dito. But look at their income. $4.46 billion annual revenue. Ganyan po kalaki ang industriya ng subscription, ang industriya ng membership club. Si Netflix po, meron ng 238 million subscribers. Magkano kinita niya sa isang taon? $31.6 billion. So we're talking of a $1 billion industry. Si Costco po, 123 million subscribers. From the membership fee alone, yung 120 na sinisingil niya sa mga members, kumita siya ng $4.2 billion in revenue. Okay, why am I sharing you this? The reason I'm sharing you this, kasi po, yan yung industriya ang pinasok natin. We are at a membership club and we're paying our membership club via subscription. If this company has grown to be this big, umabot sila ng billion in dollars in revenue, ganun din po ang future ni LiveGood. In fact, LiveGood will be bigger than these companies. Bakit? LiveGood is a club membership that pays. Subukan nyo pong i-refer yung mga kaibigan nyo dun sa mga companies kanina. Ni singkunduling wala kayong matatanggap. Pero dito po, mag-refer kayo ng tao para maging affiliate member din. Parang kayo, babayaran po kayo ni LiveGood. You can earn money as a club member of LiveGood whether or not you refer other members to the program. I will discuss that later, pero ang maganda po dito, ang pinakamaganda po talaga dito, kasi I believe that when you receive something of great blessing, it is your obligation to share to others, to as many as possible. Kaya napakaganda po ng LiveGood, mabe-bless kayo ng todo-todo dito. Kaya gawin po nating i-share siya sa ibang tao. Okay? Now let's talk about what LiveGood. Let's talk about who LiveGood is. Actually, LiveGood was launched December 13, 2022. Kaya nga sinabi ko wala pa tayong 11 months. Ang niya, exclusive buyers membership business model. Okay? And to show you, if you're looking for legalities or documentations about LiveGood, since si LiveGood po is in Jupiter, Florida, dun siya naka-register, dun po tayo maghahanap. Dun po tayo magse-search sa state of Florida. Ayan po, sinearch ko na para sa inyo and I posted it here. Yan po yung ating certification that we are a legit company. In fact, ayan po, meron din po tayong very current yung ating registration. Bayad po tayo for the year 2023 and I'm sure come April of 2024, i-update po yan ng ating CEO. Alright? Kasi yung iba naghahanap ng SEC dito sa Philippines, wala po tayong makikita dito kasi wala naman tayong office dito sa Philippines. Ang office po natin nasa Florida. If you want to check the legitimacy of our company, LiveGood, dun po tayong maghahanap. And I'm sure na makikita nyo po yon. It's very easy to search. Punta lang kayo sa Google, hanapin nyo yung companies in Florida. And then you would be directed to this. Okay? Now, who are the people behind this? Sino ba yung mga talagang nagpasimula nito? Our CEO, siya yung narinig nyo kaninang nag-voice over dun sa video. What we love most about Ben Glinsky is our CEO, is that he leads by example. His focus is on helping others. And that's the only reason that LiveGood was created. Kasi retired na to si Ben. Nag-retire na siya sa industriya. He tried the industry already. He succeeded so many times. Okay? However, nag-retire na siya kasi nga nakita niya na may mga taong hindi nagsasucceed. And actually, majority ng mga tao, dun sa traditional way of doing the business, hindi nagsasucceed dito sa industriya. Okay? So what he did, he retired. However, after some time, bumalik siya and started LiveGood kasi talagang nasa puso niya yung makatulong sa tao. Alright? With over 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional space, Ben knows how to help people win. And that's exactly what he's doing for us. He is helping us win. Okay? Ang ginawa niya ngayon, nagbuo siya ng team of champions in their own industries. Dr. Ryan Goodkin is our Director of Product Development. He has a doctorate in pharmacy and a degree in science and nutrition. Talagang dalawang science pinagsama niya. Siya yung ating product formulator. Ang gustong-gusto ko dito, sinabi niya mismo, I don't create products to sell. I create products to use and for my family to use. Advantage po sa atin yan. That means na lahat ng product na iti-take natin of LiveGood is not only potent and of high quality, very safe pa. Bakit? Kasi walang taong magbibigay sa kanyang pamilya na ikaka-harm nila. Tama? And then we have Lisa Goodkin. Siya naman yung asawa ni Doc Ryan. She is our Director of Product Education. She is a wellness coach. Holistic po yung approach niya. Kaya hindi lang siya magtuturo about our products. She also teaches about exercise, good sleeping habits. Ang habol niya po, wellness for all. Okay? Sa kanya po nanggaling, siya yung nagsabi na lifespan and health span. Kasi anong kwenta yung mahaba yung buhay mo kung hindi naman maganda yung health mo? 'Di ba? Kaya yun yung target niya. Not only lifespan, pero health span din. Kasi habang tumatanda ka, habang we are growing of age, dapat healthy tayo parate. Okay, Nodar Kazan is our Director of Network Marketing. He is a legend in the industry. Imagine, 1998 pa lang po, nagtitrain na ng mga leaders yan. And nakita niya na po lahat. He has seen the good, the bad, the ugly, and the disgusting in the industry. Ang ginawa niya nung tinayo si Live Good, tinanggal niya na yung bad, ugly, and disgusting. Tapos yung good, lalo pa niyang in-enhance. These people are leaders in their own fields. And true leadership creates true success. Okay? Now, I want you to look at the mission of Live Good. To help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune doing it. Nakita nyo, hindi siya company-centered, people-centered si Live Good. Ang habol niya talaga, yung tao matulungan. Okay? And that's what I call change. And it's time to make a change. Alright? So if you want change in your life, do Live Good. Join us now kung hindi ka pa nakaka-join. Alright? Now, sinabi ko, di ba, as a member, you'll have access to the shop whereby you can buy the products. Let me introduce to you the products that we have on the shop. Ito po, we're starting with health products kasi nakita natin na yun yung kailangan ng tao. After the pandemic, we have realized that we need to be healthy and we need to stay healthy. Alright, we have over 20 premium quality, life-changing health products right now. Pero padagdag po ng padagdag yung mga products na yan. Darating po yung time, magkakaroon na tayo ng mga household appliances or whatnot. And kung ano-ano po idadagdag niyan. In fact, every month po nagdadagdag ng products ngayon. Ngayon nga lang, talagang focus tayo on health products. Now, the raw ingredients of these health products are coming from the most pristine location in the planet. Okay? Kung saan sila pinakamagandang tumubo, doon po tayo nag-harvest. We also have world-class manufacturing facilities. All our products are made in USA, approved by GMP. GMP, Good Manufacturing Practices. If you don't know about it, talagang napakataas po ng standard yan bago mag-approve ng mga products. But all our products are approved. Meaning, lahat ng products natin, high quality. Okay, lab tested for purity and potency, certificate of analysis. This is something very, very nice na sinishare nila. Nasa website po natin yan, lahat ng products natin may certificate of analysis so that you would know exactly ano yung tinitake nyo. Alright? And we are available in over 200 countries. Not that we have warehouses in all these countries. What we're saying is the moment you order online, pay for your products, isi-ship na po yan. At napakagaling po ng ating partner, DHL. DHL po ang ating courier partner. Doon sa ibang countries ang nagdi-deliver po, USPS. Alright? So talagang dumarating po yung product to our doorstep. In fact, kami, tuloy-tuloy lang yung pag-order namin, tuloy-tuloy din naman yung pagdating. Hindi pa kami nakakamiss ng kahit anong order. Alright? Ang maganda niyan, yung taas ng quality ng products natin, hindi talaga natin yan. Hindi talaga natin sinacrifice yan. Pero, kahit gaano ka, in fact, sa ganda ng quality natin, mas mahal pa i-manufacture yung mga products natin compared dun sa ibang products sa ibang brand eh. Pero tayo, we're giving it at almost manufacturing price. Kasi at Live Good, you always get the highest quality products at the lowest possible prices. Yes, yun po yung target natin. Talagang makatulong tayo to everybody so that everybody would be healthy. Alright? Kasi kahit importante yung health, iniisang tabi natin eh. Kasi nga sa mahal. Di ba? Instead na ipambili mo ng supplement yung pera mo, ipambabayad mo na lang ng bills. Dito ngayon, sa mura ng products natin, pwede mo siyang pagsabayin. In fact, sa mga savings na magagawa mo in using Live Good products, kaya mo pang i-cover yung ibang mga bills mo. Alright? Because Live Good is not about overpriced product, but about saving people money on health products. Yes. Tinanggal na po natin. Yung traditional way is sa product kinakarga yung mga expenses, kaya yung mga products ng ibang companies pagkamamahal, ang tawag po dan price gouging. Tinanggal na po natin yan. We're putting an end to that. In fact, ito po sa illustration, you see David and Goliath. David, Live Good is David kasi maliit pa lang tayo. We started last December. We're considerably small company right now. Diba? But we are growing so fast. In fact, we are the fastest growing company in the industry right now. Imagine 800,000 paid members in less than 11 months. Okay? Sino naman si Goliath? Si Goliath, yun yung mga giant companies that are still practicing price gouging in their business. Okay? Hindi po tayo lumalaban dun sa mga companies. What we are after, what we are trying to stop is the practice of price gouging. Meaning yung pagpatong ng malaking halaga doon sa products para dun kunin yung panggasto sa warehouse, pangbayad ng country managers, ng mga staff, and pangbayad dun sa mga nagtatap sa compensation plan. Ngayon, ano gagawin nila? Pipilitin nila yung mga distributors bumili ng products kasi doon nila kukunin yung pambayad doon sa mga yon, di ba? Kaya nga sabi ni Nodor Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of the compensation plan can get rich are over. Yes, tatapusin na po natin yan. Alright? Through Live Good. How? Through the membership club that we have adopted. Okay? So let me talk more about Live Good products. Compare natin yung products dun, yung products natin dun sa ibang brand. Okay, si collagen natin, imagine, si collagen natin, yung ibang companies kasi, yung collagen nila, collagen lang ang laman. Dito, yung ating product formulator is a genius, Dr. Ryan. Dinagdagan pa niya ng 3 ingredients yan that complements the effect of collagen in our body. But look at the prices. Yung kalaban natin, Green Compass, $79.96. Yung Organifi Collagen, $69.95. Sa atin, retail price, $34.95. Members price, $27.95. Ganun po kababa yung pricing natin compared to other companies. Ito, kung habol mo naman magpa-sexy, ito po maganda sa inyo, Organic Weight Loss Coffee. Okay? Nakakabusog siya pero hindi siya nakakataba. Look at the prices. $35, $40.50. Sa atin, pag retail, $24.95. Pag member ka, $17.95. Alright? Baka nagtataka kayo bakit may retail price, may member's price. Because we can also offer the product for retail dun sa mga ayaw mag-member. But if you become a member for only $9.95 a month, ito po yung magiging presyo nyo. Mas mababang di hamak. Diba? Kaya yung savings na matitipid nyo in a single product, yun na yung pambabayad nyo dun sa monthly subscription nyo. Alright? And protein, ito naman yung mga nagpapalaki ng katawan, so muscle toning, muscle leaning, ito yung kailangan nyo. Sa ibang company, $62.95, $59.99. Sa atin, $22 pag member ka. Pag retail mo binili, $29.95, napakababa pa rin po. Alright? Now, there are other products available in our shop. If you want to learn more about the products, feel free to visit livegood.com. Tapos pindutin nyo po yung products. Meron tayong button doon, learn more. Learn as much as you can about the products and you would love them. Alright? Now, question. Siguro sabi nyo, ang ganda pala maging member kasi talagang napakababa ng prices ng mga products mo makukuha. Paano ba maging member? Simple lang po. You just have to pay $9.95 a month, or kung gusto mo makatipid further, you can pay $99.95 and that will cover you for 1 year, meaning 12 months. Parang nakatipid kayo ng 2 buwan. Okay? And as Live Good member, you'll save up to 75% compared to the products in other direct selling companies. Nakita nyo naman yung price difference kanina. Okay, so ito, savings yung makukuha nyo as member. The question is, alam mo ba na pwede kang kumita sa subscription? Di ba we're paying our $9.95 subscription? What if you can earn money from that? Alright? If you're interested to earn more, kaya nga sabi ko dito, dito sa Live Good, kikita ka or yayaman ka. Ito na po yun. Andito na po ako dito sa point of my presentation whereby I will be discussing how to earn from Live Good. Alright? Are you ready? Sige, tuloy na natin. Okay. Mahina daw yung sounds. Alright. Baka lang po yung volume nung ano nyo, no? I-check nyo na lang po because I've checked my end and everything is doing well naman. Alright. So to continue, to be able to earn in Live Good, kung yung member makakakuha ka ng mababang ng discounts or mababang makukuha mo yung mga health products, quality health products natin at a very low price, to be able to earn in Live Good, you have to join the affiliate program. Okay? As Live Good affiliate, you'll have the opportunity to earn with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. In fact, I consider this the most generous compensation plan in the industry. Okay, ano ba yung affiliate na yan? Just to give you an idea, si Live Good po kasi, hindi yan nag-a-advertise. Hindi siya nag-a-advertise sa TV, sa radio, sa movie, sa billboard, not even in the internet. Okay? Pero as a company, kailangan malaman siya ng maraming tao. As an affiliate member, tayo po ang magpo-promote kay Live Good. Tayo yung mag-i-invite sa ibang tao. Tayo yung magkikwento. Tayo yung mag-share sa ibang tao about Live Good. And we will be inviting them to become affiliate members just like you and me. Okay? So simple lang po ang gawain natin. Number one, you have to join. You have to join to become an affiliate member. And then you have to promote Live Good. Promote Live Good to your friends, family, co-workers, ka-churchmate, lahat ng mga kakilala nyo, pati hindi nyo kilala, i-promote nyo si Live Good. And when you do so, you would be earning. In fact, here in Live Good, you will not only be earning on your own effort. Mamaya makikita nyo, pati sa effort ng ibang tao, kikita kayo. Okay? So your question maybe is how to become a Live Good affiliate. Simple lang po. I'm sure that you're watching this because somebody invited you or somebody gave you this Zoom link. You go back to them, ask for their sponsors link. Doon po kayo mag-register. Register with your name and email. And after that, diretso nyo na po mag-lock in. You have to pay for an affiliate fee of $40. One time lang po yan. Never nyo na ibabayad uli yung $40 na yan. Plus 1 month subscription of $9.95 or a total of $49.95. Magkano yan in peso? Wala pa pong 3,000 yan. Alright? And since one time lang yung $40, the following month, ang babayaran mo na lang subscription is $9.95. Then you're already an affiliate member. Paano ba binabayaran yan? Through credit card po. So long as it's Masters or Visa, pwede po yan. So pwede rin tayong debit card, pwede rin tayong virtual card. Alright? Pwede po, any plastic card can do, basta Master or Visa siya. And pwede rin pong virtual cards, like yung GoTime, yung Maya, pwede rin po yan. Alright? Patulong po kayo dun sa sponsor nyo kung paano. If you are familiar with crypto, pwede rin po tayo magbayad. By the way, we're not trading crypto, we're just using it as means to pay. Alright? Or talagang wala, you go back to your sponsor or the one who invited you here, and sila matutulungan kanila because there's still another way to do it. Alright. Dun sa mga nakikinig sa Facebook ngayon na nakita ito, if you don't have a sponsor, if nobody invited you, makikita nyo po sa comment section yung link ko. You just click on that and you can register under me. And I'll be the one to coach you. I'll be the one to guide you in doing the business. Alright. So to continue, what do you get with your $49.95? Number one, you get an access to the Live Good membership club. Kasi nga, nagbayad ka ng $9.95, you become a member, meaning may access ka na dun sa shop, whereby andun yung mga health products natin na mabibili mo at almost manufacturing price. Nakuha mo na yung discount. Alright? Number two, you'll get digital marketing products, tools, and trainings. Kasi alam ni Live Good, since nagbayad ka ng affiliate membership or affiliate fee, it means na ipopromote mo siya. Kaya tutulungan ka niya. How? By providing you this digital marketing products na makikita niyo mamaya. And lastly, you get to participate in the most exciting compensation plan. Mamaya i-discuss ko paano ba talaga kumita dito sa Live Good. Okay, just to show you ano yung mga digital products or yung mga websites na matatanggap mo the moment you become an affiliate. Ito po yan. The first one on the left is your business site. Diyan nyo po makikita yung progress nyo sa business nyo. Di ba sinabi ko, magre-refer kayo ng tao to become affiliate members just like you. Diyan mo makikita ilan na yung taong nag-join sa'yo. Ilan na yung taong nag-join dun sa nag-join sa'yo. Ilan na yung taong nag-join dun sa nag-join dun sa nag-join sa'yo. Importante po yan. Kasi nga dito, you'll not only be paid by your effort, you'll also be paid by your team's effort. Alright? Diyan nyo rin po makikita yung earnings nyo. Don't worry, this is username and password protected. Make sure lang po na protektado nyo yung username and password nyo. Huwag nyo pong ipamimigay kahit kanino. Alright? Now, ito nasa kanan naman, this is our landing page. Diyan po diyan natin pinapa-register yung mga gusto nating maging affiliate member din. Just like you and me. Yung mga i-refer natin to become affiliate members, yan yung ipapadala natin. Ang bubungad sa kanila, yung video ni Ben Glinsky, tapos dyan na rin sila magre-register so that they would belong to your group. Alright? And then we also have the Shop Live Good or online shop, para yung Shopee or Lazada. And lahat, pero personalize yan, andyan yung pangalan mo. Welcome to Ramon Erwin Reyes website. So, andyan po lahat ng products. Yan naman, ipapadala natin dun sa mga gusto lang mag-try ng products. They would be able to buy our products at retail price. And when they do so, meron ka pa rin kita doon. Alright? So yan po. Apart from that, meron pa tayong dalawang product websites, the Super Reds and Super Greens. Dinagdag na lang kasi yun, pero hindi po naningil. One time lang talaga yung $40 kasi kahit anong dinadagdag nila dyan, ina-add lang talaga nila, hindi na sila naniningil. So, di ba ang ganda? Napaka-generous ni Live Good. Okay, so now let's talk how to make money in subscription. Are you really excited to hear about this? Ha? Sige nga, andyan pa ba kayo? Excited ba tayo na malaman kung paano kumita? Alright, mukhang walang excited. Anyway, to those who are new here na gustong malaman talagang may kitaan ba rito sa Live Good, let me show you our compensation plan. Alright. Thank you. Ayan. Yes, I'm excited. Say Sian. Yes, excited si Reese. Si Christian. Yes, coach, I'm excited. So, biglang dami naman. Anyway, sige. Our compensation plan is powered by two structures. Number one is the Unilevel and the second one is Force Matrix. Discuss ko muna yung Unilevel. Yung Unilevel, di ba sinabi ko magre-refer ka ng tao? Meaning ikaw, for example, when you join, you pay $49.95. And then you would refer people to join you as well. They would be paying $49.95 as well. Yung mga directly marirefer mo dito, that would be your level 1. Yung mga yan, pag tinuruan mong mag-refer din sila, yung mga marirefer naman nila, that would be your level 2. And then yung marirefer nung na-refer nila, that would be your level 3. And so on and so forth hanggang umabot ng level 10. Bakit? Because you will be paid up to 10 levels depending on your rank. Okay, ang maganda nito, unlimited yung pwede nating i-refer dito sa Live Good. You can refer 5, 10, 20, 100, 1,000 people. Pwede po. And every time you successfully refer people here in Live Good, you would be compensated. Okay? So tandaan niyo yan, unilevel structure. The second structure is our forced matrix. Here in LiveGood, the moment we become an affiliate, mapupunta tayo sa isang malaking matrix. Global yan. Okay? Pero tayo mismo, magkakaroon tayo ng sarili nating matrix. So how does that look? Ayan po itsura niyan. It's a 2x15 matrix. Okay? Meaning, for every person na magjo-join dito, dalawa lang ang pwedeng ikabit sa kanya pagdating sa matrix. So let's say for example, nag-refer ka ng 10 tao. Paano na yung 8 kung dalawa lang makakabit sa'yo? Makakabit yun dun sa mga taong nasa ilalim mo na. Yun yung pinaka-spillover mo sa kanila. And remember, since nakabilong tayo sa isang malaking matrix, meaning may mga tao pa sa taas natin. Ngayon sila, when they do the business, it is possible na tayo rin makareceive ng spillover from them. Okay? So power of 2 lang yan. Una, ikaw, and then on your level 1 would be 2, yung dalawang kinabit sa'yo. Tapos yung dalawang kinabit sa'yo, kakabitan ng tagalawa, that's 4. And then 8, 16, 32, 64, 1 to 8, and so on, up to the 15th level. Why? Because you get to be paid up to 15 levels deep depending on your rank. Alright? Now, here in LiveGood, you can earn actually either monthly or you can earn weekly and monthly. Okay? Kung ako tatanungin nyo, mas gugustuhin kong kumita na ng weekly at kumita pa ng monthly. Okay? How is that? Because here in LiveGood, we have 7 ways to earn. Okay, kaya importante kanina yung structure kasi sa uni-level natin, dyan i-base yung ating weekly fast start bonus and our retail commission. Dun sa matrix naman, that's yung force matrix naman, dun i-base or i-compute yung ating matrix commission. And kung napansin nyo, meron sa gitna matching bonus. Kasi parang hybrid yan. Iko-combine yung uni-level tsaka yung matrix structure to be able to compute for that. By the way, mamaya pag dinidiscuss ko na yung matching bonus na yan, yan yung pakinggan niya ng husto. Kasi yan yung magpapayaman sa inyo. Yan yung tutupad sa mga pangarap nyo. Okay? We also have influencer bonuses, diamond pool bonus, and crown diamond pool bonus. Alright. So, weekly fast start are for those who share LiveGood. Okay? So, yung weekly fast start natin, kaya nga dito sabi ko, you can either earn weekly, monthly lang, or earn weekly and monthly. Kasi when you share LiveGood to others, meaning you refer people to become affiliate members also, ang release niyan, weekly. At ang maganda nito, unlimited ang pwede mong i-refer dito. Therefore, you get unlimited time na pwede kang magkaroon ng weekly fast start bonus. Kaya nga sinabi ko kanina, 36% dito nagra-rank up kasi weekly talaga, they're continuously sharing LiveGood to others. Alright. So ayan, get unlimited for every successful enrollee who pays $49.95. So parang halimbawa, ikaw, if you pay $49.95 now, you become an affiliate member, you get to be entitled to this compensation plan. Alright, every time na makapag-successfully refer ka na magbabayad din ng $49.95, babayaran ka ni LiveGood. Magkano ibabayad sa'yo? Alright. For Fast Start bonus, it's a one-time of $25 bonus from all new directs that join you and paid $49.95. Okay, so in this example, may 4 na nag-join sa kanya. Each of them paid $49.95. May $25 each siya dun sa 4. So dito parang nakatanggap kagad siya ng $100. Kaya nga sabi ko, kayang-kaya niyong bawiin yung nilabas yung $49.95. How? Magdala kayo ng 2 tao. Isama mo yung asawa mo tsaka anak mo. Diba? Sila pagbayarin mo para balik agad sa yung $50 mo. Alright? Or just keep on sharing LiveGood opportunity to many people. Kasi unlimited naman yung pwede mong tanggap dito eh. Ma-direct refer dito eh. Alright? So just think about it. Makakuha ka lang ng 2, bawi na. Kasi nilabas mo $49.95. Eh 2, that's $25 each. So $50. Bawi na agad yung nilabas mo. Right? But don't settle for 2. Share this opportunity to as many as you can. Alright? Ngayon, ano yung bonus na yan? Ano yung 10 levels deep na yan? Bakit may 10 levels deep? Sabi ko nga, depende sa rank. Yes, meron po tayong ranking dito. Didiscuss ko lang ng mabilisan para malaman nyo how to rank up. When we join, unrank tayo. Meaning wala pa tayong nare-refer. Or even if makapag-refer tayo ng isa, we're still considered unranked. Now, how do you become bronze? Kasi yun yung first level. To become bronze, all you need to do is enroll 2 people. Meaning, successfully enroll 2 people na magkaroon ka ng dalawang directly under you, bronze ka na. Okay? And, ang susunod naman sa bronze would be gold. Silver, sorry. Si silver, ang tatandaan mo lang, kailangan meron kang 20 active members. Now, bukod sa 20 active members, you need to have at least 10 personally enrolled. Or, kung wala pang 10 yung personally enrolled mo, 3 dun sa mga na-enroll mo, nag-bronze. Tapos meron kang 20 active members, then silver ka na. Okay? Ganun lang kasimple yan. Next is gold. Si gold naman, you need 30 personally enrolled or 3 direct mo or 3 enroller 3 mo may silver rank. Pero ang pinaka-importante dito, merong 100 active members dun sa organization mo or dun sa grupo mo. Okay, madali lang pong i-achieve yan. And then for platinum, all you need, i-promote mo lang yung 3 gold mo to become, yung 3 silver mo to become gold ranks, di ba? Plus, you would have 500 active members. Or, mag-personally enroll. Kung magaling ka mag-enroll ng tao, personally enroll 100 people. And then let them enroll people as well para meron kang 500 active members. Yun lang ang kailangan dyan. 100 personally enrolled or 3 direct gold rank with 500 active members. Alright. And then for diamond, you just need 3 direct platinum rank with 2,500 active members. Ang dami na pong diamond sa buong mundo. And here in the Philippines, we actually have over 60 diamonds in the whole world. And here in the Philippines, we have 14, if I'm not mistaken, diamonds already. Tapos, meron pang isang rank, yung tinatawag na Crown Diamond. Dito sa Crown Diamond, 50,000 active members. Okay? Baka sabihin nyo, ay, imposible na yan. Hindi po. Posible po yan. Wala pa tayong 11 months, 2 na po ang ating Crown Diamond sa buong mundo. And we're so proud that yung second Crown Diamond is from the Philippines, none other than our very own Coach Fernan Santiago. Shout out to Coach Fernan. Congratulations. All right. So bakit importanteng mag-rank up? Kasi nga po, yung mga levels, kung gusto nyo ng passive income, kung gusto nyo maka-leverage dun sa mga tao in your organization, you have to rank up. Because, ito po, yung sinabi kong 10 levels deep, depende po sa rank nyo yan eh. Okay? So meron tayong 1st to 10th level. Ayan po. So if you're unranked, you get to enjoy the first level lang. Meaning, every time na makakapag-refer ka ng isang tao dito, bibigyan ka pa rin $25. However, if you become bronze, paano mag-bronze? Kumuha ka ng 2. You get to enjoy second level. Pag silver ka, 3rd and 4th level. Pag gold, 5th and 6th level. Pag platinum, 7th and 8th level. Pag diamond ka, ikaw lang mag-enjoy up to the 10th level. Magkano naman yan per level? Ayan po. Yan po yung corresponding payout per level. Meaning, kahit hindi mo na tinrabaho, pag nagra-rank up ka, kahit hindi mo na tinatrabaho, magle-leverage ka pa rin, babayaran ka pa rin ni LiveGood. Yun yung tinatawag kong passive income. Imagine, nasa weekly fast start pa lang tayo, may passive income na. Okay? You can earn unlimited direct enrolls based on rank. Okay? So clear po tayo dyan. Now, let's talk about the retail commission. Kasi yun nga, uni-level yan eh. Since we're talking about uni-level, let's talk about the retail commission. Paano ba si retail commission? Remember kanina, meron akong pinakitang retail price tsaka members price. If somebody shop on your shop website na nagbayad ng retail price, kukunin ni Livegood yung difference between the retail price and the member's price. Tapos bibigyan kanya ng 50%. 50% yung ibibigay niya sa'yo as retail commission. Okay? Again, up to 10 levels deep po yan. Okay? Ito po yung corresponding, parang pareho lang nung fast track bonus. Now, ito yung corresponding percentage na matatanggap mo as your level goes deep. Alright? So meaning, kahit hindi na ikaw yung nagbenta, yung tao mo, basta nag-rank up ka all the way to your diamond rank, up to the 10th level, pwede ka pa rin makatanggap. Alright? Now, meron tayong tinatawag na influencer bonus. Ano naman yan? Si influencer, if you're familiar with influencer, yan yung mga sikat sa YouTube, sikat sa TikTok, may mga followers na yan. Depending on the volume sale of retail sale per month, yung 50% na matatanggap nila, dinadagdagan pa ni Livegood. In fact, kung umabot ng 50,000 yung kanilang retail sale in 1 month, ibibigay na po yung lahat ng commission sa kanya. Kasi yung 50% dadagdagan pa ng 50% yan. Kaya nga up to 100% based on sales per month. Okay? All this information, by the way, is available in our website. Puntahan nyo lang po yung livegood.com, tapos makikita nyo po yung mga buttons doon whereby pwede nyo pong aralin on your own. Alright? Now, let's talk about the monthly matrix commission naman. Siguro nabanggit na sa inyo to. In fact, you can earn up to $2,047.50 per month without ever enrolling a single person. Pero wag po ito yung karirin nyo kasi ito pampalubag loob lang. Dun sa mga nag-e-effort naman, yun nga lang, siguro busy on some other things, hindi talaga nagawang makapag-enroll ng tao. And if that's the case, mababayaran at mababayaran pa rin po kayo. Here, when you subscribe, you wait, you would earn. Alright? Kasi ganito yan Let's talk about the monthly commission. Si monthly matrix, alright? Ganito po magiging itsura niyan. Let's say ikaw, when you finally become an affiliate member, you would have a matrix of your own. Sabi ko kanina, dalawa lang yung pwede ilagay sa'yo. Unahin yung kaliwa mo, and then yung kanan. That's your level 1. And then, lalagyan yung mga kaliwa muna para equal yung distribution. Okay? This could come from you. This could come from the person on top of you, meaning spill over sa'yo, or pwede rin dun sa mga nalagay dun sa matrix mo na nagtrabaho. Okay? And then puro kaliwa muna, tapos puro kanan naman. That's how the distribution goes. Level 2 mo na yan, 4. And then level 3 mo would be 8 kasi tagalawa lang. Nakita nyo yung distribution? Very fair, di ba? And then your level 4 and so on all the way up to level 15. Bakit? Because you would be earning up to level 15 depending on your rank. Okay? So earn 25 cents from every subscriber in your matrix even if they are spillover. Meaning, pwedeng directly referred nyo, pwedeng na-spill over sa'yo dun sa mga taong nasa taas mo, or pwede ring manggaling dun sa mga napunta dun sa matrix mo na nagtrabaho, nag-refer din ng mga tao. So long as they are in your matrix, you will be paid 25 cents. Alright? So let's continue. Ito kasi magiging itsura ng matrix nyo. Baka isipin nyo, 25 cents, ang liit naman yan. Ayan, imagine niyo power of 2. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, pababa ng pababa yan, parami ng parami yan, palapad ng palapad yan. Alright? So talagang malakihan po to. Maramihan po yung taong mapupunta sa matrix nyo. In fact, ito po yan. So, from level 1 to level 15. Okay, bakit highlighted? Bakit color gold yung level 1 to 12? Kasi po, yung mga unfortunately hindi makakapag-refer dito sa Livegood, mababayaran pa rin po up to level 12. Now, if you would compute, eto nga po yan, power of 2. Pag binilang nyo po lahat ng tao, pag napuno na yan level 12 na yan, pag binilang nyo lahat ng tao nasa matrix nyo, that's a total of 8,150 people. Kaya pag kinompute nyo times 25 cents, dun po nanggagaling yung $2,047.25. Okay? By the way, ito po ang kukunin natin dun sa monthly subscription na $9.95. So the moment na yung affiliate nyo nagbayad na ng $9.95 monthly subscription nila, that's the time you get to enjoy your Matrix commission. Ayan, level 1 to 12, yung unranked, aabot ng $2,047.50 yan. Pero ang maganda niyan, pag nag-bronze ka, aabot ka ng level 13. And when you reach level 13, ang matrix income mo, aabot na ng $4,095.50. Nagdoble na po. Alright? Pag nag-gold or platinum ka, by the way, bronze or silver yan, up to level 13. When you become gold or platinum, aabot ka na ng level 14, your matrix income now is $8,191.50. Alright? Nagdoble na naman. So, sino ang aayaw mag-rank up? All you need to do is just share to as many as you can. And then when you become crown diamond or diamond, you get to enjoy up to level 15 of your matrix. That's a total of $16,383.50. Okay? Kaya nga dito, don't settle for spillovers. Don't become a spillover waiter. Become a spillover maker. How? Invite people in. Okay? Pag kayo naging member dito, for those who are listening to me right now, those who are new here, who wants to become an affiliate member, the moment you become an affiliate member, pay for your $49.95, the first thing you do is bawiin yon. Maghanap kayo ng dalawa na maipapasok dito. Kasi makapasok lang kayo ng dalawa, bawi na po yon. And nakapagdagdag na kayo sa matrix nyo. Ngayon, yung dalawang kinuha nyo, turuan nyo rin kumuha ng dalawa. Mamaya papakita ko kung ano mangyayari sa matrix nyo. Now, just in case na talagang hindi kayo you're busy with something else, hindi kayo makapag-enroll ng tao o makapag-share ng live goods sa ibang tao, just in case, tumagal. Kasi hindi natin alam kung kailan mapupuno yan. Kung kailan nyo may start matanggap yung 2,000 na yan. Kailan mapupuno yung matrix nyo, we don't really know. Alright? Pero let's say for example, umabot ka ng 12 months. 12 months, bayad ka lang ng bayad ng subscription mo. After 12 months, tsaka pa lang napuno yung matrix mo. Okay? Magkano yung nilabas mo? $119.40. Magkano yan in peso? 6,724. Eh since puno na yung matrix mo, yung monthly income mo, buwan-buwan po yan buwan-buwan mong matatanggap is $2,047.50. So sulit po ba yung paghihintay? Opo naman. Let's say, talagang nabagal talaga, umabot ng 3 years or 36 months. Ang nilabas nyo lang po, $358.20. Alright? Pero yung kinikita nyo, $2,047.50. Kung gawin na nating 5 years bago napuno yung matrix nyo. Nilabas nyo lang $597. Magkano kinikita nyo? $2,047.50. So it's worth the wait. Wag lang po kayo maiinit and continuously pay for your subscription. Don't miss out on your subscription. Anyway, darating naman po yung time kasi dito, hindi natin kailangan punuin yan bago tayo makatanggap. In fact, magkaroon lang ng 1,000 sa matrix mo, you would receive the 25 cents. Pero pag nagkaroon na ng 40 dun sa 14 tao dun sa matrix mo, you'll be receiving $10 monthly. Meaning, may pambayad ka na dun sa $9.95. Diba? So, hindi mo talaga ilalabas yan. Hindi mo siya ilalabas on your own pocket. Time will come, your account will be paying on its own. Alright? Ngayon, sinabi ko, hindi natin malalaman. Pwedeng 5 years, pwedeng 10 years pa. Umabot ng 10 years yan. Pero even if umabot ng 10 years yan, it's still worth the wait. Pero kung dun sa mga naiinip at gustong kumita talaga agad at gustong mapuno ng mabilis yung kanilang mga matrix, ito po yung suggestion ko, yung sinabi ko kanina. When you join, you get to become bronze immediately on your first week. And then, dun sa dalawang kinuha mo, turuan mo rin sila na kumuha ng Tagalawa on their first week as well. Okay? And then, turuan mo sila magturo doon sa mga kinuha nilang kumuha ng Tagalawa. And this is what will happen to you. Una, ikaw lang, tapos nadagdagan ka ng 2, and then nadagdagan ng 4, then 8, 16, 32, 64. On the 12-week, provided na continuously mangyayari to dun sa organization mo, week after week after week. Every time na may magjo-join sa inyo, automatic, on their first week, kukuha ng 2, kukuha ng 2, kukuha ng 2. On the 12-week pa lang po, puno na yung matrix nyo, yung 12 levels matrix nyo. That's already 8,190. Meaning, yung first matrix income mo, umaabot na ng 2,047. Ay, yung third, yung next matrix income mo, aabot na ng $2,047.50. And since kumuha ka ng 2, umabot ka na ng bronze, up to 13th level ka na. On the 13th week, puno na po yung iyong 13th level. Now, this is what you do. After getting 2, you're teaching them to get 2, and then you teach them to get, to teach those 2 to get 2, you repeat the process. Kuha ka uling 2, tuturuan mo. Tapos pag gumagana na sila, kuha ka uling 2, tuloy-tuloy lang. Bakit? Kasi it is in sponsoring people that you rank up. Sooner or later, hindi mo mamamalayan, diamond ka na. Pag diamond ka na, you get to enjoy up to level 15. On the 15th month, punong-puno na po yung matrix na up to level 15. Alright? So, ito yung suggestion ko sa inyo. Continuously share Live Good to as many people as you can. Okay? Para mas mapadali, gawin mo dala-dalawa lang. Huwag mo biglayin yung sarili mo. Kasi with only 2, natuturuan mo na i-duplicate ka, gagawin din kumuha ng tagalawa. If everybody do it, everybody does na kumuha ng tagalawa, ang bilis pong lalaki ng matrix niyo. Alright? Now, we're just talking about the matrix income. Sabi ko kanina, pakinggan nyo pag pinag-usapan na natin yung matching bonus. Eto na po. Matching bonus na tayo ngayon. Alright. Alright. Ano naman yung matching bonus na yan? Remember, when you become an affiliate, nagkaroon ka ng sarili mong matrix. Nung nagkaroon ng tao sa matrix mo, nagkaroon ka ng matrix income. Now, every person na marirefer mo rito, that will be your first level, right? They would have their own matrix. If they would have their own matrix, they would have their own matrix income. Ano ngayon yung matching bonus na yan? Yung matrix income ng mga na-refer mo, bibigyan ka ng 50% of the total of the matrix income of your direct referral as a matching bonus. Okay, so what does that mean? Let's say for example, eto ka, may 4 kang na-refer dito. Yung 4 na yan, they started working. Yung first mo, kumikita na ng 1,000 in his matrix. Yung 1,000 na yan, matatanggap yan ng buo. Let's say, pangalanan natin A, B, C, and D. Matatanggap ng buo ni A yan. Kung gagawin ngayon ni Live Good, ima-match niya yan. 50% of 1,000. That's $500. Yun yung pinaka-matching bonus mo. Alright? Si B, kumikita na ng 500 sa matrix niya, may 250 ka. Si C, medyo busy pa sa ibang mga gawain, $100 lang yung matrix income niya, may $50 ka pa rin. Si D, nasa 200, may $100 ka pa rin. Ang maganda nito, unlimited yung mga taong pwede mong ma-enroll dito sa Live Good. Meaning, unlimited yung pwede mong i-match na matrix sa mga tao. Kaya nga sinabi ko, ito yung income na magpapatupad ng mga pangarap mo. So just imagine, let's say for example, meron kang 10 na lang. 10 direct referral dito. Yung 10 direct referral mo, time came na talagang kumikita na ng tagwo 100 na lang kunyari, 100 in their matrix. 50% sa'yo, that's $50. $10 sila. That's $500. Passive income yan kasi wala ka namang ginawa. All you did was pay for your subscription. Siguro once in a while, you encourage them to do the same. Once in a while, you encourage them to refer people as well. Diba? Pero passive income na po yan. So why settle for 10? Pwede ka naman mag-enroll up to 100 people. Diba? Unlimited yung pwede mong i-enroll dito Ang maganda nito, as you rank up, you get to enjoy generation level pa. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Meaning, yung 50% mo, pwede ka pang kumita doon sa mga matrix nila ng additional 10%. If you're a silver, sa first and second generation. If you're a gold up to third generation, additional 5% pa. If you're a platinum, that's an additional 5% up to fourth generation. If you're a diamond, that's an additional 3% up to the fifth generation. So posibleng meron kang additional na 23% pag pag diamond ka na. Ganyan po kalaki ang matching bonus na yan. And just imagine if you have like a lot of direct referral, like our coach Fernan, meron na siyang 400 plus directs. Lahat yun may matching siya. Okay? Imagine that. Ganun po kalaki ang matching bonus. And just to show you, eto right now I'll be showing you an income. But before I do, let me just make some disclaimer. Hindi po porket kinita to ng isang coach natin, kikitain nyo rin. There is a possibility that you can earn more or there's a possibility also that you can earn less. Depende po dun sa trabahong ilalagay nyo dito. Kung gagayahin nyo yung pagtrabaho niya, most likely, kikitain nyo rin to. Pag lalagpasan niya, most likely you'll be earning more. Okay? So it's not a guaranteed income. Your income will be based on the effort you put in. Alright. So just to show you, nung June 1 to 30, yung matrix income niya, umabot na po ng 1,318. Pero yung matching bonus niya, look at the matching bonus, 12 times. 12,367. Kasi ang dami niyan directs. Ngayon, yung directs niya, nagkaroon na ng mga sarili-sarili nilang matrix income. Every directs niya, meron siyang 50% matching bonus, 50% matching bonus. And since umabot na siya ng diamond, he gets to enjoy up to the fifth generation of matching bonus. Alright? Tapos nung July, umabot na ng 1,299. Medyo nabawasan yung matrix niya. Ay, ibang tao siguro to. Okay. Ito naman, another income. Nung July, ang matrix niya nasa 1,299. Pero yung matching niya, 44,810. Ganun po kalaki ang matching bonus as compared to matrix. And ang pinaka makikinabang lang po ng matching bonus, ang pinaka bibigyan lang po ng matching bonus are those who refer people to the program. Are those who are inviting people to become part of Live Good, to become affiliate members of Live Good. Alright? Kaya po importante talaga dito mag-direct. Yun lang po yung key in this business. If you want to grow big in this business, continuously direct people to the program. Alright? So here's an example. Let's say, for example, you have 20 directs. Okay? Each of them earning 2,047.50 na lang. Dumating yung point na puno na yung 12 levels ng matrix nila. Hindi naman sila nag-invite ng tao. Kaya maabot ng 2,047.50 yung kanilang matrix income. 50% sa'yo, that's 1,023.75. 20 sila. So you still get 20,475 in matching bonus alone. Alright, that's a total of 1.1 million. Kung ganyan po kalaki yung kita nyo, talagang matutupad na yung mga pangarap nyo. Malamang wala na kayong utang niyan. Alright, what if 30 yung directs mo, tapos yung mga 30 na yan, instead of just waiting for their matrix to fill, talagang nag-work sila, umabot ng 6,000 yung kanilang matrix income. 50% sa'yo, 3,000, 30 sila. That's $90,000 monthly income. That's 5 million pesos monthly po. At this point, hindi lang pangarap nyo yung matutupad, pangarap ng buong pamilya nyo. Diba? Residual income na yan eh. Passive income lahat yan. Okay, kaya kung meron kayong dito, guest na sinabi sa'yo directly, hindi ako magre-refer ng tao. Sasali lang ako. I'll continuously pay my subscription pero hindi ako magre-refer ng tao. Sabi mo sa kanya, magpasok ka ng 2 family member, become a bronze. Okay, bakit? If you're a bronze, kung maging bronze siya, up to level 13 siya, yung matrix income niya, 4,095. Tapos yung 2 kinuha niya, let's say hindi gagawa, 2 family member yan, malamang siya rin nagbabayad yan. Yung 2 kinuha niya, time will come, aabot ng 2,047.50 yung kanilang matrix. And dalawa sila, that's 4,095. Okay, 50% nun sa'yo, that's additional 2,047.50. So yung family income nila, just by enrolling two of his family member, umabot ng $10,238. Pasasalamatan kanyang kaibigan mo kasi instead na kinikita niya is 2,047.50 lang, naging $10,238. That's $500,000. $500,000 monthly income yan. Alright? Ngayon tayo dito sa Dreammakers Worldwide, meron tayong vision. A vision of having 100 solid direct referrals. Ano naman yan? Meaning, kung ako, gusto kong maging diamond, dapat meron akong 100 direct referrals na lahat gusto maging diamond. And time will come, darating yung point na magiging diamond silang lahat. Bakit? Kasi they're continuously doing the business. They're continuously sharing Live Good to others. Ano mangyayari niyan? Pag napuno na yung mga matrix namin, aabot kami ng 16,350. Okay? 50% nun, 8,191.75. 100 sila na lahat diamond na. That's 819,175. That's 45.8 million pesos month after month after month after month. Imagine ninyo po, ilan tao na yung na-bless nyo, ilan na yung givings nyo, ilan na yung foundation na natulungan nyo kung ganyang kalaki yung kita nyo. Okay? This is a vision. This may happen for not in a very short time. Siguro this will happen in 10 years, 15 years. Okay lang. Ganun ang mga visionary kung makakita 10 years ahead, 15 years ahead. Pero yung nakikita nila talagang wide vision. That's what we want you to do. We want you to have your own vision. All right? We want to share this vision to you as well. Now, this will only happen if you would rank up all the way to diamond. So what do you need to do to rank up? Well, you really need to sponsor people, to bring people in the program. Okay? Pero let me show you a simple way. Kanina pinakita ko, di ba? Invite to, teach them to get to, and then repeat. Dito ngayon, get 3. Kasi di ba dun sa rank up, parating merong 3 na ipo-promote to rank up to the next level. You get 3, teach them to get 3. Okay, this is what will happen to your business. Kung weekly mangyayari yan, di ba? First week mo, tatlo, nadagdagan ng 9, 27, 81. On the 7th week pa lang po, diamond ka na. Kasi si diamond, kailangan lang 2,500 active members. You already have 3,279 members in your organization. Okay? Pag umabot ka ng 10th week, crown diamond ka na. Kasi 88,000 na yung tao sa organization mo. Talagang if only this will happen continuously and talagang maduduplicate mo yung sarili mo dun sa mga taong papasok dito at magiging kultura talaga. Magiging automatic. Once you join, you bring 3. Once they join, they should be bringing 3. Ito po, ang laki ng ang bilis lalago, ang bilis mapupuno ng matrix nyo, ang bilis lalago ng organization nyo, at ang dami yung taong mabibless dito sa loob. Alright? Now, when you become a diamond, meron ka pang additional income, yung tinatawag na diamond bonus pool. Ito po talagang completely passive income to. Kasi ito po, parang share mo na sa company. Profit sharing na po to. Because what Live Good would do, ito total niya lahat ng kita sa subscription, sa membership, sa products, all of that, ito total niya. And then, kukurot siya ng 2%. Tapos yung 2% na yun, i-divide niya sa lahat ng diamonds. Currently, we have 60 plus diamonds. Pero yung 2% na yan, yung diamond bonus po na yan, nag-a-average po yan ng $4,000 monthly income. Right? Kung kayo namangha dyan, ito mas malupit. Si Crown Diamond. Kasi si Crown Diamond, may share na siya dun sa 2%, meron pa siyang additional 0.5%. And right now, we only have 2 Crown Diamonds in the whole world. Isa si Tim Miller who is in the US. He's the first Crown Diamond. Imagine, nung siya lang ang Crown Diamond, he's enjoying this completely. Ngayon, dalawa na sila naghahati dito sa 0.5. Okay? Kasama na si Coach Fernan. Hindi nila din-disclose yung kanilang kita. But think about this. If the company earns, let's say, 10 million, 0.5% of that is 50,000. Dalawa silang naghahati. That's $25,000 each. Right? So bakit ka magsisettle sa pagiging unranked? Bakit ka maghihintay na lang mapuno yung matrix mo? When in fact, you have the ability to become Crown Diamond. Bakit? Kasi lahat ng Diamond, lahat ng Crown Diamond, they started as an affiliate member just like you and me. Equal footing po tayo. Kakaiba lang yung ginawa nila, minadali nila. Ang maganda nito, they're generously sharing what they did. All we need to do is duplicate them. Gawin natin kung ano yung ginawa nila. And time will come, we ourselves will become diamond. We ourselves will become Crown Diamond. Okay? Have that vision that one day, very soon, magiging Crown Diamond ka. Okay? Dun sa mga visionaries dyan, sige nga, ilagay nyo sa chat, Diamond ako, Diamond ako. Alright? I-claim mo na yan. Magiging Diamond ka, magiging Crown Diamond ka. Now, for those who are not yet members, who are guests here, I suggest that you become an affiliate member already. Kasi yun yung nawawala sa inyo. Yun yung income na hindi nyo pa natatanggap because you're not yet an affiliate member. Ayan, si Riz, si Andy, si Christian, Diamond ako, si Maria, Janet, si Mary Glenn. Right? Wow, ang dami. Yes, claim that. Become a Diamond. Equal footing po tayo dito. Lahat sila nagsimula katulad natin, affiliate members na. So if you're not yet an affiliate member, become an affiliate member. I'll give you 4 top reasons to join. Number 1, we just officially launched. December lang po tayo nag-start. We're 11 months, less than 11 months pa nga. Few days short to become 11 months. We're launched globally, pero umaabot na po ng 800,000, more than 800,000 paid members tayo. Okay? Yung target natin na ma-reach 1 million in December, ma-reach po natin yan. Ang question, asan ka? Kung hindi ka pa member, ando ka pa sa mga hindi pa kasali. Become a member now while we are still on our pillar stage. And guess what? Pag lumaki si Live Good, isa ka sa mga makikinabang. Okay, high quality and very affordable health products. Dito po kaya na nating magpaka-healthy ngayon. Right? Kasi kayang-kaya na natin bilhin yung mga health products. Marketing system, tools, and trainings. This is one of the tools you can actually abuse. You don't need to explain anything to your prospect. You just have to bring them here. Ako po mag-explain, kami magpe-present, kami magko-close. Pero yung account sa inyo. Other than this, we have training every Monday, local, and every Thursday and Friday, American time naman, international training po yun. We just have to join that. We just have to open ourselves to it. Open for more learnings, more learnings, more learnings. Tapos yung sinabi ko kanina, yung mga diamond, yung mga top leaders natin, they're openly sharing their experience, what they did, kung ano yung process na ginawa nila. We just have to listen to them. Marami kayong YouTube na makikita dyan. Alright, and a very simple, powerful, lucrative pay plan. Sabi ko nga, generous. Very generous pay plan because the company is giving away 85% of their income to us, the affiliate members, as means of commission. Alright? Now, eto po, malapit na ako magtapos. We are just on the pillar stage pa nga lang po, meaning foundation pa lang yung tinatayo kay Live Good ngayon. And you are fortunate to have heard this opportunity. Pero yung decision po, nasa sa inyo pa rin. Okay, if you're already an affiliate member, don't let go. Please, continuously pay your subscription. Look farther. Don't look at the now. Have a vision of seeing yourself 5 years, 10 years from now. Kasi darating at darating po talaga na mapupuno at mapupuno yung matrix mo. And you get to enjoy more than 100,000 peso monthly income. And if you become diamond, wow, talagang you would mababago talaga yung buhay mo at marami kang mabe-bless na tao dito. Alright? We are just 800,000 members. Wala pa po tayong 1,000,000. Yung ibang companies, yung mga ibang subscription companies, umaabot ng 200 million members. Lalagpasan po natin yan. The question is, if you don't join now, nasan ka? You would be left behind. And don't be left behind. Join now. However, the decision is still up to you. Kasi you have options eh. Number 1, letter A, I'm in. Sali ako dyan. No more questions. Give me your sponsor's link. I'll register now and I'll pay my $49.95. Good for you. Or B, I just want to have the member's price kasi gusto kong bumili ng products at very low. Then become a member. Pay your $9.95. Okay lang po yun. Or C, you can also say, no thanks. No thanks, it's not for me. Then I would suggest to use the products as well. You buy it in retail. Total, kaya mo naman eh. May pera ka rin naman. Diba? Pero ito, this is your decision, diba? But let me help you make that decision. Because if I were to choose, A ang gagawin ko eh. I'm in. Diba? Sino pa yung mga A dyan? Sino pa yung gustong maging affiliate members dyan? Okay? Because this may be you eh. Kasi baka ikaw to ngayon. You may be overworked, underpaid, financially unsecured. Or, pwede namang well-paid ka pero wala kang time with your family. Or pwede ring OFW ka away from your family. Or, sabi ko nga, yung asawa mo OFW, siya naman yung nalayo sa'yo. Either way, broken yung family nyo. Magkakahiwalay yung family nyo. Ang hirap nun eh. Diba? If you're struggling that way, Live Good is for you. Join Live Good, do Live Good, and then change your life forever. Okay? Now, don't just think of the now. Think of your future. Think what awaits you in your retirement. Diba? Kung hindi ka nakakita ng magandang future mo sa ginagawa mo ngayon, better make a change. Kasi just imagine this. Imagine if you do Live Good today. Where would you be in the coming years? Okay? Ito nakita ko na po nangyari to dun sa ibang mga coach natin at unti-unti nang nangyayari sa akin to. Okay, more income than bills at the end of each month. Kayang-kaya nyo na pong bayaran yung income, yung mga bills nyo kahit hindi pa due date. Alright? More time to spend with your family and friends. Yes, I'm experiencing this already. In fact, last weekend lang po galing kaming Aurora. The other weekend, we came from Aurora. We enjoyed ourselves. We were there for 2 nights and 3 days. We had fun, right? And napili namin kung sino yung mga kasama namin. Those people that we want to be with. We have freedom to work when, where, and with whom you choose. Pues, ang tanungan nga dito, where do you want to work today? Alright? And just imagine a life without debt. Wala kang utang na pinagbabayaran. Kung ganyan yung buhay mo, mas malaki yung magiging giving mo eh. Just you can generously give to many people. So, kung ito yung mga pangarap mo ngayon, ito pa isa pa na. Take vacation as often as you like. Now, if these are some of your dreams right now, convert it to reality. How do you do that? You do Live Good. Because Live Good is the vehicle that can change your life for the better. And it's happening already. It's happening to our coaches. It's slowly happening to us, the affiliates, yung mga on the way to becoming diamonds and crown diamonds. It's happening. It's happening. Let it happen to you as well. So if you were to choose, piliin nyo, A, I'm in. I'm in. Alright? So, thank you so much for staying until the end of this presentation. Again, get back to the person who invited you, ask for their sponsor's link, register, become an affiliate member, and change your life forever. Alright? With that, I would like to bid you good night. Thank you so much. And I really hope na mayroon kayong nakuhang value dito sa presentation na to. And I really hope that one day, I'll be able to meet you as an affiliate member already. Or even better, as one of our diamonds. Alright? Again, this is Mon Reyes. It has been my pleasure to have served you and to have given you this presentation. Good night, everybody. Love you all. Bye-bye.